am not here for the people that are spending $250,000, even $50,000. I'm not here for them people that spend $250,000 on a restoration. I'm not here for them. I am here. I am here for the guy that wants to fix up a car or restore a car the most reasonable way possible. I'm here for the people that want to learn and want to go forward and do their project, and I'm just trying to show the most reasonable way to do it, to get the job done. And I guess mainly the best way to get it done is to be creative. Be creative. And if I can be creative enough to play with the big boys when they spend their $250,000 and I spend $10,000, $20,000 on the whole thing, that makes me feel good about what I'm doing. And it should you too if you're able to do it with creativity. Creativity goes a long way when money's involved. And to me, I'm not there where I want to spend that much money on something because it takes the fun out of the project. When you're waiting for money or you have to make a certain amount of money to build a car, that's not where it's at for me. Where it's at for me is being creative and getting the best job I can for the least amount of money. And it will stay that way probably till the end of time.